If f of x equals the given function, we want to find the derivative function, or f prime of x, and then find f prime of 1. Notice how the function is given as a product of two functions. So if we want to find the derivative function in this form, we'll have to apply the product rule of differentiation given here below, where the derivative of function f times function g is equal to f times g prime plus g times f prime, or we can say the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first function. Of course, the other option would be to find this product first and then find the derivative function using the basic power rule. The main purpose is to introduce the product rule, so we'll go ahead and apply the product rule to find our derivative, but toward the end of the video, we'll also show that if we multiply this out and then find the derivative, the result would be the same. So using our formula given here below, we'll let the first function be function f and the second function be function g. And now we'll set up the product rule. So f prime of x is going to be equal to f times g prime, or the first function, times the derivative of the second function, plus g times f prime, which should be the second function, times the derivative of the first function. So now we'll find the derivative here and here, then find the products, and then simplify. So f prime of x is going to be equal to, again, the first function times the derivative of 3x squared minus 2. So to find the derivative of 3x squared, we're going to multiply by 2. That would give us 6. Subtract 1 from the exponent. That would be x to the first, or just x. Minus the derivative of 2, which would be 0. So our derivative is just 6x. Then we'll have plus 3x squared minus 2 times the derivative of x squared minus 5x plus 8. The derivative of x squared would be 2x minus the derivative of 5x, which would just be 5, and the derivative of 8 would be 0, so our derivative is 2x minus 5. So now we'll find these products. Here we'll have 3 products, 1, 2, 3, and here we'll have 4 products, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have f prime of x equals 6x to the third minus 30x squared plus 48x. Now for this product, we'll have plus 6x to the third minus 15x squared minus 4x, and then finally plus 10. Now we'll go ahead and combine like terms. There are 2 x to the third terms. There are 2 x squared terms. And there are also 2 x terms. So f prime of x is equal to 12x to the third. Then we'd have minus 45x squared. And then we'd have plus 44x plus 10. So this is our derivative function. So to find f prime of 1, which would be the slope of the tangent line at x equals 1, we'll substitute 1 for x into our derivative function. So we have 12 minus 45, that's negative 33, plus 44, that's positive 11, plus 10, so f prime of 1 is equal to 21, which again will be the slope of the tangent line when x equals positive 1. So let's go and take a look at a graph. The blue graph is the graph of the original function. When x equals 1, we'd be at this point here on the function. The red line would be the tangent line. Notice how the y-axis is scaled by 5s, so the slope of this red tangent line does appear to be positive 21, which verifies that our work is correct. Now before we go, I do want to go back and show how if we were to find the derivative by first finding this product, the derivative would be the same as we found using the product rule. I've already worked this out, but I do want to show it. Again, if we were to start with the original function and multiply this out, we would have a total of 6 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which would give us these terms here. If we combine like terms, it would give us this function. This is the same as the original function, but we've expanded the product. And now if we apply the product rule to find the derivative of the function in this form, notice how the derivative function is still the same. We have f prime of x equals 12x cubed minus 45x squared plus 44x plus 10. But again, the main idea for this video was to show how to use the product rule. I hope you found this helpful.